Is AI taking over your content creation strategy? Should businesses ditch human writers altogether, or should they avoid AI completely? It's a heated debate in the marketing world, and today we're breaking it down to show you why both mindsets are flawed and what the real winning strategy is. So here's the deal: there are two extreme views on AI and content creation. The first group believes that AI will completely replace human writers, making copywriting obsolete. The second group thinks AI is unreliable and should never be used for professional content. But here's the truth: neither of these approaches is optimal for a modern content strategy. Let's talk about why. AI is fast. No doubt about that. You can generate a blog post, a tweet, or even a full marketing email in seconds. But AI generated content often lacks originality, emotional depth, and brand authenticity. Here's why relying solely on AI is risky. AI struggles with unique voice and brand tone. Pattern based content often feels repetitive and generic. There is no real world context or emotional intelligence, and it can misinterpret facts, leading to inaccuracies. So basically, AI is great at producing drafts, but on its own, it's not enough. Now let's flip the coin. Human writers create high quality content, but there's a catch. It's slow, expensive, and unscalable, and here's why. Humans take hours or even days to write content. Hiring skilled writers is costly, and scaling content production is difficult. So, if your business needs to stay competitive, relying mainly on human written content will eventually slow you down. So, the solution here is a hybrid model. So here's how the hybrid model works. The AI boosts efficiency while the humans refine it for quality and authenticity. This approach maximizes both speed and engagement. So here's a step by step hybrid strategy. First, AI generates first drafts and structures. Then, human writers optimize for brand voice, persuasion, and storytelling. Third, AI automates content repurposing across platforms. And fourth, performance is tracked with AI metrics, which is then refined. So when you blend AI efficiency with human creativity, you get the best of both worlds. Faster content creation without sacrificing quality. Woo! So if you're still not convinced, here's why the hybrid model is superior. You have to remember the fact that since you have the best of both worlds, you're creating more content in less time with stronger brand messaging, with less manual workload, and better audience engagement and conversions. So think of it like this: AI is doing the heavy lifting while your team fine tunes for impact. So rather than fearing AI, you should strategically embrace it. So the future of content marketing isn't AI or humans, it's both. AI only content will pretty much always feel generic, and human only content will be slow and expensive. So the businesses that win will be the ones who know how to balance both AI speed with human authenticity. So let's ask this question: are you ready to adapt? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on AI, marketing, and business growth. See you in the next video. Woo!